Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Mom DIY. Today I'm going to share my recipe for horse gram dal powder mix. You can use it as a side dish for idli, dosa or rice. For this you will need 1 cup of horse gram dal, 6 to 7 red chilies or according to your taste, a teaspoon of jeera, a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of urud dal, 1 tablespoon of moong dal, and a sprig of curry leaves. On a medium flame, dry roast the horse gram dal for 5 to 7 minutes until it slightly changes color and a nice aroma comes out of the horse gram dal. Make sure you keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. And once you have roasted this for 5 to 7 minutes, we can go ahead and add the urud dal, moong dal, dry red chilies and the curry leaves and roast it for another couple of minutes. Horse gram dal is known to increase your metabolism rate and burn your body fat. So taking horse gram dal either in the form of a lentil soup or like this, like a spice powder mix for your side dish, it helps your body to burn the excess fat in a healthy, safe way. Once the horse gram dal changes its color from light brown to darkish brown color and you have added the urud dal and the moong dal and it has also roasted nicely and changed color, we can go ahead and add the jeera and the peppercorns and switch off the stove. The heat from the pan will be enough to roast the jeera and the peppercorns. Once it is roasted nicely, transfer it to a plate and let it cool for some time. Once the mixture has come to room temperature, add a pinch of hing and salt to taste and grind it into a coarse powder. And you can store this horse gram dal idli powder mix for 2 to 3 months in an airtight container. This is a very flavorful, yummy, delicious horse gram dal powder mix recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you until next time.